So let us discuss why are flaps primarily raised longitudinally in the extremities and transversely or obliquely over the torso. Now it is not a rule that flaps should be raised in this particular fashion. With the better understanding of the angiosomal concept, theory of angiosomes, the theory of perforasomes, we are now at a position wherein we can harvest flaps irrespective of their direction in any direction based on a particular perforator. But traditionally and conventionally, we have been raising these flaps longitudinally in the extremities and transversely or obliquely over the torso. So what happens is that the orientation of blood vessels and perforators influence our choice of flap orientation. Now in extremities, these are mainly longitudinally based, and over the torso, these are mainly transversely or obliquely based. So what happens is the chances of two choke vessels aligning with each other are more if we base our flaps longitudinally in the extremity and obliquely in the torso, because obviously the blood flows in that particular direction, the blood vessels are in that particular direction. In addition, our goal is also to achieve the best possible aesthetic outcomes. So aligning the flaps with the natural orientation of the skin creases and the underlying structures helps us to achieve a better natural appearance. So that is more so relevant in the torso, wherein if we plan and execute our flaps transversely or obliquely, we are more likely to maintain the natural skin tension. So that is the reason why flaps are primarily raised longitudinally in the extremities and transversely or obliquely over the torso.